leave my door open from now on. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of scrap in there, guys. Yeah, trying to be quick, guys. It's one of those grabby things, guys. Let's go. Few TVs, a few things in here, guys. I might have to get my snips. Looks like a computer. Try to be quick. Try to be quick, guys. Couple printers. Radio. This thing here is. It's not bad. First computer, guys. Straighten that out later. Got some wires over there, guys. Good to go. Let's get out of here. Pick this up. Clean it into place, you know? crap in there. There we go. We got a fan here, guys. Frozen in there. Try to be quick, guys. Nope, nothing. Looks like a little piece of brass. See what we got here. Empty. Empty. I'm just looking for some. Oh wow. Whew. Oh yeah. See if there's anything here. Nope, empty. Anything in here? Nah, they're all. Everything's gone. It's all pretty much gone. Everything's been emptied around. I'm gonna get out of here. Get out of here real. Okay, guys. The computer is a Dell. Windows 2000. It's a Dell. It's got 16.1 gigs in there. Around 5 gig of memory. So not that good. It works. I'm just going to show you that. I'm going to close that. And we're going to try to get online. Of course it's not going to work online. There's a photo. I don't want to show that photo. See what happens. We'll try to get online. It's not connected to the internet, guys. But it's, you see? Okay. No service connected. I might hook up some service. I don't know if I'm going to update this computer. Like get a bigger hard drive, add better memory in here. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one.